This is Miss Ann from the Newcastle branch of the Pioneer Library System, and today I'm going to show you how to fold some very simple paper airplanes. Let's start out with a basic airplane. We're going to start with our paper in portrait orientation. That means it's long up and down from your stomach like a door. Going to fold the paper in half. It's really important that you get the folds symmetrical. You want both sides to be the same as possible, and you need to do nice, crisp folds. So be sure to go over that fold so it's nice and crisp. All right, open that up, and now we're going to take the top and we're going to fold it to the center, and we're going to do that on both sides. Again, crisp folds, try and get them as equal as possible, symmetrical, same on both sides. Now we're going to fold the paper in half again, back in half, and then we're going to fold the wings down to the base of the plane. On both sides. And that is your very basic paper airplane. Fold those wings back out. You can see how simple it was. This is a good one for duration of flight. Stays in the air a really long time. The next one we're going to do is called the dart. It's a good one for distance. We're going to start the same way we started the last one, folding our paper in half, getting those corners nice and even so that our paper is symmetrical. Again, just like that first one, we're going to pull the corners to the center on both sides. Now we're going to fold it again to the center. Both sides. Fold the plane in half and fold the wings down. You want this corner to match up nice and even. The dart. Experiment with the angle at which you launch your airplane. Will it fly farther at a sharper angle or at a less angle? How hard you launch it. Experiment with that. See how that makes a difference. And you can change the center of gravity of your plane by putting a paper clip on the body of it. Experiment with that and see how that affects the flight of your airplane. The next one is called the ring wing. You want to start with a square piece of paper. This happens to be 6 by 6. You're going to start by folding the triangle. Then you're going to fold up a narrow strip on the wide side, and one more time, and then you're going to bring those edges together and tuck the edges inside of each other. You may need to put a little strip of tape to hold it together. To fly the old wing, you're going to grasp it between your thumb and forefinger and gently launch it into the air. This last one is called a helicopter. You're going to start with a regular sized piece of paper, a pair of scissors, and a large paper clip. You're going to cut a strip out of the long end, cut a slit down the center about 5 inches, cut 1-inch notches on both sides under the slit. And you're going to fold that over. Fold the bottom up a couple of times. Put the paper clip on it. Fold your propellers, one this way, the other way. And there's your helicopter. When you launch your helicopter, you'll want to hold it from the paper clip edge and toss it as high as you possibly can into the air and watch it rotate down. Resources available from the Pioneer Library System include Best Ever Paper Airplanes by Norman Schmidt and The Ultimate Guide to Paper Airplanes by Christopher Harbo.